There was this one program that they just did not like.
Okay.
And they didn't feel it was being successful. So we moved away from that. A lot of the things too are just being visible, being present, building relationships.
Sure.
And so that served as my roadmap. So now that I see what they wanted, what they didn't want, I started to get little victories at the school just by making these changes. And I think that's what built trust. Not only did I listen to them and speak to them, but I'm taking their advice and their suggestions. And that's how we started to build trust little by little. And then just having that time with them, that was just the start of the community, of just the relationship building. Because at the end of the day, that's what it comes down to, just the relationships you build with your staff. And I think, that example you used earlier with the bus driver in our district.
Yes.
Yeah. I mean, I enjoy talking with them. I talk to everybody. And I think that's the key. So I like going down to to the bus barn or just other places and just chatting with people.
But I think it's different when it's talking to someone and having a genuine interest in what they're saying.
Yeah.
Right. I think there is a big difference, and people can feel that. So obviously, this young man felt that you really were listening.
Exactly.
It is a pattern that we see in transformational leaders. They're great listeners. They're curious, right? And then they take that knowledge that they've gained and they start sharing a strategy.
That's exactly
So what were some of the strategies that came out that you felt like you were continuing the wins?
One of the things was it seemed like it was kind of a divided campus. Not everybody got along with each other. There was some little infighting here and there. So just doing like a lot of team building, those types of things, because culture trumps strategy every time.
Strategy.
That's exactly right.
Yeah.
So it's all about that culture building, and it took time. And quite honestly, and this is the hard part, is that not everybody was a fit for that school, if you will. Maybe they were going to find success elsewhere, but I was looking at building a positive environment where everybody got along, and not everybody wants that, and that's fine. So eventually some found their way out, and I started hiring people who were more like-minded, who really fit the culture of the school. And I think that's the big piece is, you can have a rock star teacher, but if they're not the right fit for that grade level or that school, then maybe that's not the person we get. I might get a rookie teacher we can still mold them, so sometimes I've even sacrificed test scores and so forth just because I knew they would be a great fit for the school.
Sure.
And eventually we get there.